Welcome to JAYA Tutorials. Today we're going to discuss part 2 of our lesson, formatting data using Home tab tools. If you didn't watch part 1, please make sure you watch that as well. Under part 1, we discussed tools relating to clipboard, font, and alignment. Today, under part 2, we will cover tools relating to number, styles, and cells. Under part 3, we'll cover tools relating to editing. Okay, we'll directly continue from where we stopped in part 1. As I said, in part 1, we covered tools relating to clipboard, font, and alignment under Home tab. Today we are going to start with the subgroup number here. You see this case here. This decides the format of the cells in terms of whether it's text, number, or percentage, etc. By default, the format general is selected, which means it's not formatted for any special type. Now select cell D3 to change its format. I go here and click on this down arrow. I can change the format into number where we will get 2 decimal places as well, like appears in this drop down menu, or I can select either currency or accounting like this. This shows both the dollar mark and decimal places. Further, we have date and time, percentage, etc. Or even if we want more formatting options, we can click on more number formats. Then we get this kind of a toolbox and we can find so many types of formatting options here. If you go to number, you find many types of options under that category. Others also offer so many different types of options like this. We can select formatting option depending on what type of data we have in our cells. It may be text, numbers, currency values, dates or times, whatever. All we need to do is to select the related formatting option from this tool. Further, if you look here in the ribbon, you see we have few tools which we can directly access without going to that detailed listing. Different types of currencies, percentage. This is thousand separator. Let me enter some value here first. Then I click on it. See, it separates the number in thousands and will also add 2 decimal places. Then using these two tools, I can either increase or decrease the decimal places like this. Okay, that's about number formatting. I'll delete this. Then I go to this tool, conditional formatting. It helps in analyzing data, mainly using colors and bars, etc. First, I need to select the data I want to work with. Then go to this tool and click on it. We get this option. It says highlight cell rules, greater than, less than, between, etc. I'll select this one, less than. Format cells that are less than, I'll give some value. Let's say 50. Then it asks what's the format option we need. Cell and font color. We can choose anything. Then press OK. You see Excel has identified all the cells with values less than 50 and highlighted. It's very fast and accurate. When we are working with huge volumes of data, these tools will be unbelievably helpful. We have many other options as well. Top-bottom rules. You can try and see how each one of them work. It's very easy. Then, data bars. I'll apply this one. See, the length of the bars are based on the values in the cells. Greater the values, longer the bars. Then we can apply colors based on values, icons based on values, or even we can have new formatting rules. Here there's enough space for us to set rules and use them as we want. I'll select this one, format only unique or duplicate values. Then here I will select duplicate, or we can select unique as well if we want. Then what's the formatting option we need? Select format option. Then there are so many formatting options here. I'll use this fill option because I just want to fill the cells with a color. Then I select this color and click OK. Then it gives a preview how it will look like. Then again press OK. See, almost all the cells are highlighted with yellow except these two cells. That means all other values are duplicated and only 60 and 80 are not duplicated. For example, 100 is in both these places, so it is highlighted as a duplicate value. Then we have clear rules to remove all the rules we set. Then manage tools. There we can add new rules, edit the existing rules, or even delete the rules. Then we have this one, format as table. I'll select this table, then go and click it. Then we get so many table styles. So we can choose one. I'll select this one. Then press OK. We get filters also to our table like this. Next one is cell style. I'll select this title and go and click Cell Style tool. You see how my selected cell get changed when I select different cell styles. I'll apply this one. Then I select cell D3 and go there again, and you see down here there are a few number formatting related tools, and we just discussed use of those tools when we discuss number related formatting options here. We can access the same tool using this cell style tool as well. Then we have new cell styles. If we go here, we can see the details of current formatting. Then we can click this format button. Then we get this toolbox. We discussed this toolbox a while ago, so we can use any formatting options we need from here. Then press OK. Those will be applied here, and when click OK, our selected cell will get all those formatting. Then the last option is to import style from other workbooks. Then I go to another simple table to show you the use of these tools relating to cells. I select cell C3, then click this small arrow, and we can select either to insert cells, rows, or columns. I select insert cells, then I select shift cells right. You see, I inserted a cell here and existing cells shifted to right side. I'll undo this. We can do the same using keyboard shortcut like this. First, select the required cell, then it is Control, Shift and equal sign. You get this text box like earlier, then OK. Similarly, you can add rows and columns as well like this. But let me show you an easy way. If you want to add a row, select the row, go here and click the mouse button. After the row is highlighted like this, go to insert icon and click on the icon itself like this. Since we have highlighted a row, Excel will insert a row. If we highlight a column and click on insert, it will insert a column. The same shortcut works for this as well. I'll undo all these and show you. Select the row, then shortcut Control, Shift and equal sign. See. One more thing with this tool, we can even insert a new sheet using this. This is the new sheet I inserted. Now I go to this tool, Delete. Here we have exact opposite type of tools compared to the earlier one. We can delete cells, rows, columns, and even a sheet using this. So I delete this sheet using this. See, that sheet was deleted. I will show you one example of deleting a row. I select this row, then go and click on it. See, I'll undo it. Okay, hope you are thorough with insert and delete tools. Then format tool. This is mainly used to adjust the row and column sizes. For example, Go to row height, it is 15 by default. Change it to 10 or something and click OK. See, I'll undo this. Then hide, unhide. We can hide rows or columns using this. I select hide rows. Then this row will be hidden. See, only row number 1 and 3 is visible and 2 is hidden. Then I select these two cells or rows which are above and below the hidden row, and again go there and click on unhide rows. It will appear again like this. Then under organize sheets, we have rename sheet option. Using this we can change the name of the sheet like this. Then we have move or copy option. Using this we can move or copy any sheet from this workbook to another workbook or to this workbook itself. First, I will show you how to copy and paste to this workbook itself. Here, we need to select the destination. Since I'm going to copy and paste to this workbook itself, I select its name, Part 2, Book 1. Then it asks where to put, whether it is before this sheet, this, or like. I want to put it to the end, so I select Move to End. Then, since I want to copy it, I tick this box, Create a Copy. Then press OK. See, the same sheet got copied to the end. Then I'll show you how to move a sheet to another workbook. Here we have to select another workbook. All the open books will appear here. We can select one from them, or we can select to move the worksheet to a new workbook. I select new book from this, and since it's a new book we don't have any options here like in earlier case. Then I will cut and move this sheet. That means I don't want to keep a copy here, so I don't tick on this box this time. Just click OK. See, a new book opened and our sheet was moved to that book. That sheet is no more here in our original workbook because we just moved it without keeping a copy. Next, we have tab color. It is to apply colors to our tabs like this. See, then we have protection related tools, which I'm not going to discuss under this tutorial because it's a subject which should be discussed as a separate lesson. Then we have format cells option here. It's the same tool we discussed here as well. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. In next lesson, that's in part 3, we'll cover tools related into editing, and with that we can conclude lesson number 3, formatting data using Home tab tool. If you think this lesson was helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Click the bell icon as well so that you will get notification of future lessons. If you have any queries or anything to say, please write in the comment section below. I am here to help you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.